Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about Microsoft Word and its feature called the editor. Editor is a smart feature that the Microsoft has recently introduced. It can give you suggestions on your spellings, grammar, and a bunch of other options like vocabulary and punctuation. And if by any other chance your Microsoft Words look like this, as you can see there is no editor, I will tell you how to get it. Go to Files, and then down here go to the account. Update your Microsoft Word if there are any updates available, and it will help you get the editor on your Microsoft Word. Otherwise, if it doesn't show up, that means you just recently installed Microsoft Word. So wait for 2 to 3 days before the editor appears on its own. Let me tell you more about editor. It can give you casual, professional, and formal writing tips. To demonstrate, I will show you a document of my own and edit it right in front of you. So this is my document. I will turn the editor on, and as you can see, it will start running on its own and collect data and suggest me the corrections that it is detecting. First, I will go to punctuation. It can help you with your punctuations, and if there are extra spaces between your full stops, or you can go and correct your grammar. Everything just one click away. All you need to do is to just click once and it will be modified. Now I will go to the formality. This option is usually used for the formal language. Anyhow, now you have the idea. I like the best feature called vocabulary, and it provides you a confident writing tips. So there you have it, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, leave a comment below and I will get to you right back. And if you need to know how to install MS Word, watch my previous video and I will see you in the next. Thank you.